Good morning everyone, and welcome to the installation of the Dreambaby Phoenix Bed Rail. Oh no, you want to help? Oh, okay. Better? Yeah. So Reigny boy's starting to sleep by himself, and instead of getting him a little junior bed, we've decided to go straight up to a king single. So he has minimal chance of falling off, but better to be safe than sorry. So here we go with installing the Dreambaby Phoenix Bed Rail. This one up. Look at this. Woo! Let's cut this. Take that off. Let's take these off. Alright, so before we slide these in, we need to just adjust these anchors, which goes on the opposite side of the bed. So we need to undo, tie a little bit, feed these through, and pull that out. And then, so what we'll do is this goes on the opposite side of the mattress, and so it's sort of, if you like, this is the other side. This anchors in, just like that. So as it pulls in, it doesn't go anywhere. Alright, so once it's under the mattress, you just need to adjust this T-bar to sit on top of the slats at 90 degrees, and you're right to go. So as you can see here, the anchor just goes on the opposite side of the bed, and you just pull the straps in to make it tight. And it's very easily adjustable by lifting up the levers, and down it comes.